Hi there, everyone. Today I'm keen to chat about a lot of customers on Shopify receiving this email basically saying action required, upgrade your thank you page by August 26, 2026. So this is simply a fairly basic email that's just saying to upgrade to the newer version of the thank you and order status page. There isn't really too much to be concerned about with this because a lot of customers on Shopify, a lot of merchants on Shopify using the checkout pages and stuff don't really have many customizations or upgrades on their checkout pages. This is mainly for plus merchants that have done like massive customizations in their checkout and stuff like that, and a lot of custom coding because they're removing checkout.liquid is what it's called, which is like a separate file that allows you to edit your checkout that only plus merchants have access to. So that is merchants that are on the plus plan. So if you're on the plus plan and you have no idea what this email is, I'd recommend just double checking and following along with this video. If you're a core merchant on a basic, advanced, or just any sort of other monthly plan, definitely watch this video because there's a few steps that you'll want to take just to upgrade your checkout. But there's not many other customizations that you could have had previously. When you upgrade to the new one, there'll be a few apps and stuff that you could potentially use in your thank you page now for core merchants. And check out blocks as a different app and all that sort of stuff. So it's definitely something worth looking into. But upgrading this order status page isn't something to be concerned with. Like, it's not going to break your Shopify or your store or anything like that. So just jumping in here, I have a client store here that she has ever so kindly offered for this video. So basically, you'll hit settings in the bottom left hand corner, and then you'll go to checkout. Now you'll see here, upgrade your thank you and order status pages. You'll just want to click on that, and this little drop down box will happen. Yeah, so basically it's just saying that you want to review your current customizations for your checkout, for your thank you and order status pages. And then you can, just go ahead and publish. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to click review customizations. Now this is where it'll come up and it'll say this will guide you through things. You can hit upgrade in the top right hand corner if you know that you don't have anything. If you don't have any sort of customization on your checkout. But yeah, this just explains the checkouts. So this just explains the different pages: thank you page, order status page, like what it is. The customers will visit the order status page to track their order and all that sort of thing. So there's not many customers will see that page. Thank you page is the page that shows up after all the orders have gone through. So it's that little map page where it shows you the map of your address, like the customer's address and all that sort of stuff. So this is often used for conversion tracking. Now, upgrading your checkout pages will not hurt any sort of Google GA4 integration or anything, because that code should not have been put into the thank you page via the code. That should have been done through the Google sales channel, which I should have another video on. If I don't, feel free to leave a comment in the bottom. But yes, so this here is just checking. So this client store has a couple of Judge Me review apps that you can add Judge Me reviews now to the thank you page and order status page. And doing that, you can just click like add app blocks, for example. And then this here will go into exactly, so this is what the thank you page looks like. And you can now add, so reviews, order status page, for example, you can add it to that. And you'll see it pop up here. So essentially this is, you can write a review for these products. I wouldn't recommend putting it on this is on the order status page. So that's a nice place if they go to track the shipping or anything like that, or want to leave a review. Sometimes they'll go back to the order status page. So with Judge Me, you can do this sort of thing. But this isn't a customization that she had previously on the previous checkout. So yeah, you can review things, you can add app blocks there, Tracking and analytics, that's all done through Judge Me Reviews for their tracking. So there's nothing else that we need to do there. And then we just click upgrade quite simply. Like it says your existing customizations. If you do have any sort of custom code or anything that you have put in the checkout, so any sort of tracking, anything on a Plus account, basically, then you want to just double check with your developers and make sure, or get a developer to review things. But other than that, you should be fine to just click upgrade and then it's all good to go. Just one more thing that you might want to consider when you have done this upgrade is after you've finished the upgrade, you'll see this little notification, change the order status page domain. So when you have finished with the upgrade, you'll see the order status page uses a default URL of this, which doesn't look very nice. So to change the domain to a subdomain of your domain, basically, then you'll need to click change domain. So we'll just go through that now because it's highly recommended just for branding and stuff like that. So under URL, so now it's taking us to customer accounts. So this is where customers can log into their store and see orders and all that sort of stuff. You'll want to go change domain, and then you'll want to just put in what you want to call it. And accounts is a great, or account is a great way of handling customer accounts. So you'll just change whatever you want it to be called, but I would just leave it as account right now. And then you'll click continue. And then, yep, I can confirm that that's updated. Perfect. Lovely. And then you just go, I updated. And that's all you need to do. And then so it's created that domain, and then you'll just want to put that DNS record, that previous step. You'll just want to make sure that that is in your domain providers where you purchase the domain. You'll just want to make sure that that information is in there. All right. If you do have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. We can go through it in deeper sort of steps. However, every domain provider will be different. So you do just have to just reach out to your domain where you purchased your domain, send them that information and be like, hey, I need to get this updated. And then they'll either do it for you or send you steps directly on how to do it. All right. If you registered your domain with Shopify, it will just automatically create everything, connect everything, and you'll just click done. So keep that in mind. All right. Cheers. Thanks all.